Okay, so next tab that we have is the Leaderboard tab. If you move your mouse over the Leaderboard tab, then you're going to see a bunch of the different leagues: the individual league, the bunk league, the family league, and the Tevet league. So you could either click on the league that you want to get to, and the website will reroute you to that page, or you could click on Leaderboards. It'll show you all 4 leaderboards in one place. From there, you can navigate to any individual leaderboard page that you choose. So here we are on the individual league page, and I'm going to show you how to upload a challenge now. There's daily challenges posted, and you're going to want to upload videos or pictures of you doing those challenge. So right down here later on the page, it says ready to submit, upload challenge files here. You click on that, it's going to reroute you. It's going to open a second tab to this individual league uploader, or whatever league you choose. And it says drag files from here or select from your computer. It works exact same on mobile. You can select directly from your camera roll. It's super easy, super intuitive, and it's going to allow you to upload from anywhere that you have access to the internet.